தந்து புலத்திற்றாகி அவியகத்துறகடாகி ஐந்தினை நெறியாளாகி சவியுற தெளிந்த தண்டொழுக்கவும் தழுவிச்சாரோ கவியென கிடந்த கோதாபுரியினே
Hey Lakshmi, look at river Godavari like necklace of earth. Let us fulfill our stepmother's wish to wander in the forest for 40 years like saints. I think we better cross the river Sarayuni, Chitrakuda mountain and Dandagarangal to reach Panchavati where we can build a Parnashala. Lakshman, please take care of it.
As you wish, my brother. There are a lot of wild animals seen in this dense forest. Bear, tiger, elephant, lions, cheetahs, king cobras and wild oxen all roaming free. This may terrify Sikadev, but I use fire or use an arrow to scare all of them.
Yada yada smapai.
Now the wild animals have gone away. There is a sword appearing in the sky. Let us take the sword and chop that huge tree. With the same sword we can slice 12 pillars, beams, axes and joiners for the whole Varnasana. Go and quickly finish the job. Oh, soul.
Hi, home, hi, home, hi, home, hi, home.
Brother, I finished the job. Now we can stay in the Parnasala.
Hey, Sita. While looking at the Parnasala made by my brother Lakshman,
மாயம் நீங்கின சிந்தனை மாமரை தூய பார்க்கடல் வைகுண்டத்துள்ள ஆயக்கங்கையர் புனலண்டதே ஏயகண்டி சமைத்ததசாரை.
I feel the serene minds of Brahmins, the magnanimous river Ganga, and calm and composed the deep ocean of Hindu. All go dormant We can shift here in next auspicious occasion. Sita.
Oh, yes, Priyatama, as you wish. My dear Swami, I saw a beautiful golden deer near our Dhamachala. The dotted skin of it shines like 24-karat gold. What a gorgeous creature! I am very much attracted to it and I love to get it now. Swami, this is not like deers we saw in Chitrakoodam Kandagaranyam. It is exceptional. Please get me that, Swami. Hurry! Oh, I want it.
Come near, Lakshman, brother. Sita enticed by a golden deer roaming near Parnashala. I suspect that there is some deception. Find out the truth and inform me.
Brother, do you remember that when we were in Ayodhya, Saint Vishwamitra wanted to protect from Subahu and his 2 crore battalion army? We killed all of them. Only Marijan came to us in disguise for dodging punishment. Brother, that Marijan is doing some magic tricks in deer form. Let us stop chasing him, please.
Janaki is compelling me to catch that golden deer. She loves too much. If it goes far, I'll use an arrow. Or if near, I'll catch it by hand. Lakshman, please take care of Parnashala and Janaki with utmost care. Be careful.
As you wish, brother, I will do.
Here, the deer is approaching. It is running fast. I have to carefully look at it. Oh dear. Come near.
இங்க வா மானே
Come near here.
இப்படி வா மானே
Come near to me. Come.
இங்க வா மானே
Hey, come.
இப்படி வா மானே
Hey, don't run away and hide. Come here.
ஓதாதே நீ என்னும் வந்தாய் உன்னை விரும்பி நான் வந்து சீதா கமல சீதே சிற்று விழித்து சாவிந்தார் பாலா மானே நீ மறுபூம் குழலி மறக்கின்றார் சாதாரண சுகூனாகி தசையாயின்று
Even if what Lakshman said was right, I must get this deer to satisfy Sita. It's running swiftly in front of me. I think I should use an arrow to bring it down. That is the only way. Yo, Sita! Help me! I'm hurt and I'm bleeding. Help me! Urgently, I'm getting killed by Rakshasa. Save me before I die! Sita! Lakshmi, please come. Oh, the crooked Marijan is crying loud in my sound. What tragic situation I am in. This cry will be heard only by Sita, not by Lakshman.
Brother Lakshman, with no reason for anguish, I hear the frantic cry of song. I think he will be in trouble and need him. Don't you hear the loud cry? I am totally worried. Still you are standing here internet as if nothing has
face any harm from anybody. Stay calm, sister. I'm sure about it. This is some trick played by Marijan. Believe me.
If you don't go right now and save Swami, I will die in this wildfire.
I'm sure about your statement, sister. Don't fear about that loud cry. It's a trick, I am sure. For your safety, I will draw a line around this Parnashala. Never cross the line under any circumstances. Jagayu, the king of birds, will look after you till we come back. Keep my words in your mind always. I am going now. I could not see him in this forest too. Let me look into the distant forest.
When I compelled Marijan to detach Raman from Sita, I never expected that he will depart himself from me. It is not surprising that good people will end by doing only harm to others. It is happy to see that way. Why not? I disguise as a stain in your Sita. Yes, that is a perfect design. Tera! Hari Om Hari.
Achyutam Keshavam Narayanam Hare Krishna Damodaram Vasudevam Hare Sridharam Madhavam Gopika Vallabha Vishnu Narayanam Ramachandram Vishnu Narayanam Ramachandram Janaki Nayanam Ramachandram Achyutam Keshavam Narayanam Hare Krishna Damodaram Vasudevam Hare Hare Shiva Shiva Mahadeva Shambho Shingaraya Kodavama Shiva Shiva Gajamukha Gananatha Shambho Nandita Pulani Ambalatarashe Marumarute Shambho Anandate Karupirute Kurunadatarashe Murtiyane Shambho Puravela Purakandiyane Hare Hare Shiva Shiva Mahadeva Shambho Shingaraya Kodavama Hare Hare Shiva Shiva Mahadeva Shambho Shingaraya Kodavama Hare Hare Shiva Shiva Mahadeva Shambho Shingaraya Kodavama
Bhiksham Dehi. Is there anybody in this Parnashala to serve this thing?
Who are you? Oh, the Reverend Saint.
Kindly provide me with some food, Honorable Guru. I am very hungry.
Respectful Saint, you have done tapas and I should not give any leftover food. We collect fruits and vegetables from forest and eat whenever we are hungry. So wait for my Rama and Lakshman to give your goodness food. I am helpless at present.
Alright. Then I will tell you an impressive story of a Maharaja to pass time till they arrive.
No, Saint. I like only the story of my husband, nothing else. Please pardon me.
Hear my story, and then I will depart from here. Listen, you must. What do you think of Raman? The great, the most powerful for sure. With my powerful sword Chandrahasam, I can even dig out the whole earth and place it on my chariot. Do you understand?
You! Somebody help me! Bird Jalayu! Come here, Jaldi and help! Help me! Help me! Parudittariyalän vande anjalen paruvaliye karuvukkarichillen mama kagustannan perundevi olugattirmen porindren uyirvaalarekkendemen malukkiriyavayalagavande Look, Ravana is kidnapping Sita. I must help her and stop Ravana from his merciless and monstrous attempt. Sita, I am coming.
കിട്ടായി കിളയോടും പാർവനിയും ചുട്ടായിരു എന്ന തുടങ്ങിന് പട്ടായനവേ കൊടുത്തിനിയും വിട്ടേ കുടിയാതിനും നിരഞ്ഞാൻ
The most idiotic sinner, Ravana. This guy will lead to annihilation of your tribe completely. I swear you know Sita is the wife of your Rama. You dreadful sinner. I will not allow you to go if Sita is not brilliant right now. I will block all your way.
You scavenger bird! How dare you challenge me? You ignorant, reckless, stupid! You look like Mahameru mountain with wings, sprouted suddenly came on the way of Ravan, only to face the nastiest. Scavengers cannot stop or touch Ravan. Get lost from here, you dirty!
You rubbish, Ravan. Cruel and heinous ways will lead you towards holy. Your crowns exhibiting on 10 heads, Bahubaliya, ornaments, Kuttala, everything will be ripped off with my long sharp beak. I am coming! I am coming!
Do whatever you can! Anyway, you have come to die for sure. My sword Chandrahasa will slash your wings and body into pieces. Let us fight, face to face. My weak spot lies on the thumb of left foot. Now tell me yours.
My weak spot is on 7th feather of right wing. I am not scared of your thunders. Now I will fragment your left thumb. Here I am.
I will cut off your right wing now. Take this slash from Chandrahasa's sword. Teda! Now I am free to take Sita through sky.
Oh, some monkeys down on earth. It is better to wrap my ornaments in a towel and throw to it so that my Swami and brother could probably find.
Supreme, Mahwah, Alec, Neevan, and Kubota, we keep this class safely.
Finally, I reached Lanka. I won't take her inside palace, but lead to Ashoka tree. Hey, we have happy days ahead. Dancers, proceed with some lovely dance. I am happy.
Trailokya Purandara Sharanam Kailasotharika Sharanam Ashtagaja Yukta Priya Sharanam पुलस्त्रिय पुत्र विभो जय जय पुलस्त्रिय पुत्र विभो.
Very nice music. This distributes presents to all. Very supreme. Your problems are solved. Now you will be the king of Kishkinda. After 4 months, we should locate Sita and travel to Lanka for war. Soldiers, let us move to Lanka. We have reached Lanka. Here comes Ravana's son Indrajit, isn't it? Lakshman, please confront him. He is bowing huge drums, trumpets, and dust clouded bellies, chariots, elephants, and Karapada. Move swiftly. Lakshman, fight with him.
നില്ലടാ ചെറുതു നില്ലടാ ഉണൈ നെയ്ത് വந்தനുനൊക്കുയാൻ നില്ലടാ മരുന്ന് താഴ്മ പേசி ഉயிரோடு இந்த விளையாய் கல்லடா நெடுமரங்களோ வன் கலத்திலென் வழி கடக்குமோ சொல்லடா அனும சொல்லடா மதன் தோழினாய் தோழினாய்.
I will take on English and his army now. Right now. Hey!
Take my strike, Hanuman. This arrow will silence you, stupid monkey. There!
I will bite it into pieces and throw back at your face. Indrajit, hey!
What? That miserable monkey has gone. Lakshman, where are you? Are you sending clown monkeys to fight against me in the war zone and amusing deliberately? Are you so brave?
Indrajit, I am here. I am here to take your past to impending extinction. Indrajit,
Let my arrow shadow you. Take your arrow and prove your word.
I am always ready to accept the challenges. Disclose your arsenal and I will give you mine. Let us start. There. Don't get too much excited, Indrajit. I will break your bow and arrow into pieces. There.
Hey, that is irrelevant for me. I have many more lethal arrows awaiting in my launching pad.
Indrajit, you have disappeared like a magician. But you cannot fool me, Master Maya. You are too dangerous in this world. I am going to kill you before you try some other foolish trick.
Yada yada smapai. Yada yada smapai.
Oh, what a fate. My son, Indra died, and I am in deep grief. I must respond to Ram in an uncompromising way.
மனிதா கேள் முதல் போரில் வந்ததில் மலைத்து ராவணன் மயங்கினான். இனியும் அப்படி இறப்பனென்றுயர்த்திய திமிசையில்லவே. நிறுவி வென்றிருவளைத்தரும் கலைகள் கொண்டு நின்றுடல் குடிக்கவே. ஜனனமின்றொடு நிறுவி வாழ்வனது சத்தியம் சௌரியத்தினான்.
Hey! Rama! Raghava! Here we are going to witness the most devastating war along with the residents of sky, earth, and the netherworld. Ram, we will start the battle from the air. Battle from the sky. Then we will fight from the netherworld. We shall battle at will in a borderless war.
Ravan, now I am breaking your bow. Yada, yada,
Ravan, I am going to liberate you from all known worlds. Your unforgivable mistakes will die along with you. Let all gods, humans, devils, and all living beings witness Ravan's salvation.
Yada yada smapai.
Vibhishan, you should complete all funeral ceremony of your brother Ravana. Hanuman, please locate and bring Sita, and we all can travel to Ayodhya.
Hey Samandra, tomorrow's sunrise will be bright when Raman take over the kingdom. Go and publicize Rama's coronation, every nook and corner.
Hey countrymen, tomorrow's sunrise will be bright as Rama takes over Ayodhya, our kingdom. Raman will be our king. Raman will be our king.
Hey Rama Raghava, it is morning. Listen the chirping of birds. I have safely kept your crown for thousands of years. Get ready for the coronation ceremony. Rama, you have become the first king of Ayodhya and Sita, our queen. Let all countrymen be happy like residents of Ayodhya.
Vasishtha Muni, I have got this crown and glory by your blessing. Guru, you have crowned me as the 102nd king. Please accept my small gift.
Rama Raghava, I should not receive gifts from you. You are God. Since we must keep our Guru-Shishya relationship, I am accepting the gift. Sukhi Bhava.
Mantri Sumudra, call the dancers and start money making.
Yeah. Hindu Samaj temple and those who are witness to see the Tolpava Kuttu shadow puppet, traditional puppet play of Kerala, those who are witness to see the Tolpava Kuttu performance, he blessed the name of Rama, Sita, Lakshmana, Hanuman and all God and Mother goddesses. And special thanks to Ajivi ji and those who are coordinating the temple authorities. All we bless all the God and goddesses for their good health, wealth and prosperity for their whole life. We go with our dedication songs. Thank you.
Sri Ramachandra,